Another Mexican mine. So Marta and our friends down there with the air compressor. And these fellow here seem to be rigging some kind of a Tyrolean traverse for dropping the ore, bringing the ore over to the road, because we're back in this canyon right here. These guys got a rock drill going on, and it looks like they're going to install this winch, probably with this worm gear right here, maybe a gas motor. And it looks like right now they're just going to be rock hammering some anchors in for this winch, I think. And here comes the drill bit.